Over 50% of candidates fail the USPS 955 exam. And the scary part, they didn't even realize what they did wrong. Now this could be you. So let's know what is USPS 955. So if you are applying for a USPS maintenance job, you will likely face the 955 exam. What it actually tests? Basically, it checks if you can think and work like a technician, not just memorize theory. That is real-world problem solving. So what you will see in the test? There would be number 1, mechanical questions involving gears, pulleys, force, motion. So you will see diagrams and can be asked what happens next. Number 2, spatial reasoning, which includes rotating objects, folding shapes. So here your brain needs to visualize in 3D fast. Number 3, problem solving, that is machine not working. So you will need to identify the fault quickly. This part feels like real job scenarios. And in order to make it easy to understand and save your time, I have designed a table. Have a look. So why it feels hard? It's not just knowledge, it's speed, accuracy, calm thinking under pressure. Even simple questions feel difficult because of time pressure. So who takes this test? You will face it if you are applying for roles like maintenance mechanic, mail processing equipment mechanic, or electronic technician. This was all. Thanks for watching.